So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Sony XM6 headphones with an LG Smart TV. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is put these headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode and then connect them via Bluetooth to your LG Smart TV. Now to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode, first of all make sure the headphones are switched off, and then with the headphones off, just long press on this power button. All right, so there's going to be that power button on the left ear cup. So press and hold that power button until that light starts blinking rapidly. So you can see, just keep holding, and then once it starts blinking rapidly like that, it means the headphones are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you can go to settings on your LG Smart TV. And then on the menu on the left hand side, just go to all settings. And then go to sound, select that. Under sound, go to sound out. And then you can see all these options for sound out. You want to scroll down and go to use wireless speaker. So select that. And then since we want a Bluetooth device, you can see Bluetooth is grayed out because we don't have any Bluetooth device connected. So you want to go to the right hand side and click on these three dots, select those, and then it's going to start looking for available Bluetooth devices to connect to. And as you can see at the bottom there, our WH-1000XM6 headphones have been detected. So click on those and they should pair and connect. So there you go, it's already paired and now it's connecting, and you can see a confirmation at the bottom of the screen there. It says connected, and here it says connected as well. All right, so now our sound output device, if I can just press the back button on my remote, you can see is selected as our Bluetooth device. So now I can watch movies, listen to music, watch YouTube, and consume my media wirelessly through the Sony XM6 headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.